So I am a hardcore electrical engineer. I graduated from NIT Jamshedpur and I joined Tata Solar. So I worked 6 years from 2005 to 2011 where I have seen the evolution of solar industry. I remember from 5 watt panel to 150 watt panel, the growth I have seen, and secondly, the acceptance from the customer, either rooftop, microgrid, and then slowly it accepted by ground mount. So the history I have seen how solar has been accepted by across the world, and Tata was one of the leading player where I have inculcated ourselves with the technical skill, execution skill, as well as the business potential across India. And therefore 2012 we decided to start our business in solar industry itself by seeing the potential in as a India whole, where we found that solar is the only sector who can provide electricity 24/7. Yes, there is a challenge of storing the energy, but slowly and gradually we will have a solution of storing solar energy either through lithium-ion battery or next solution is hydrogen. So we can say that as a solar is the only key potential of energy, particularly for developing country like India, where we can rely on. And therefore, we as a first generation entrepreneur, we started business in solar energy, and now we are developing about 1 gigawatt in next 1 year. This is our target, and we are working in EPC as well as developer mode. And our major portfolio like Crompton Greaves, Minda, Honda, Maruti, and Apollo are the major clients whom we are providing power through our developer mode. Yes, starting a business is a fascinating thing, but following the passions and working for dream day to day, solving the challenges in the day-to-day activity, either for projects or business development or execution or fund. These are the major challenges we have to solve, and that's what we say is that keep on following your passion and work day-to-day activity, try to solve the problems and give the reasonable and adequate solution to that particular problem. Every day will be the big day for entrepreneur, and keep on moving toward your goal, and that's what we do. I think we will be one of the second wave entrepreneur in the solar industry, and we hope we will be also creating the benchmark brand value like Azure, Renew, and Avada within 2 to 3 years. So basically, we are working as a developer. End-to-end solution we provide. We have our fund backed by SBI of World Bank Fund. So we provide energy solution to our CNI customers, where we are signing the PPA, power purchase agreement, with our customer, and we are charging based on energy consumption, and we are giving the solution for 25 years. So we are working as a developer. Solar sector itself is a very captive projects or captive business. It required huge capital. Even we know very well that it required about 4.5 CR per megawatt. And to start a solar business, particularly a developer, we should have good financing background. Either can be supported by some private institutions or government institution. We should have a good funding background. Then only we can do. Thank God we got very good credit line from World Bank, and we are working as a developer. So I see that the funding is the biggest challenge, and second would be the managing that asset. Once we develop the asset, the biggest challenge is can we manage the asset for 25 years. So how we give the solution is we have very particular designed standard operating procedure. We follow right from the first day of engineering designing. We develop assets such a way that the lives of the assets should be minimum 20 to 25 years. Therefore, we are able to provide the best solution and optimum energy generation to my client. If talking about innovation, yeah, as per Moore's law, every 18 months the number of transistor is double. So yeah, In the same case in our solar PV sector also, the efficiency is increasing day by day. The module size is increasing. As I told, I started from 5-watt module from Tata, and now we are seeing 715-watt module. So yes, it is rapidly increasing the efficiency, the size of the module, and now it is coming also with tracker, bifacial. So yes, there is a very good scope of efficiency improvement, technology improvement as a whole, we can say, in solar PV sector. I say yes, subsidy will and is affecting the solar boost or acceptance by the customer. Only thing is that the subsidy should be given to the household or residential customer. For government or for we can say the C&I segment, subsidy cannot be possible because it is large scale. But yes, we are 70% people are stay in the villages, in the remote area. They can be much beneficial, and much solar rooftop will be accepted by the owners of the homeowners only if they can have some subsidy. So subsidy can play very vital role in the development of solar rooftop project, particularly in rural area or village level. Rooftop must be one of the good solution for the our household villages. But only thing is problem is subsidy is as of now is very limited access we have. If it is managed by single window clearance or subsidy, I think that would be the best solution and very good energy solution for entire India.